Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to change payment method on VRBO. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on VRBO, you can use the link down there in the video description below, and you may get discount or rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to make sure that you're on the listing page of your VRBO. So just click list your property right here, and you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see right here, if you want to add payment method, you just need to go to the settings. So right here on the top right corner, just click this one and click account settings, and you will be redirected to this page where you can click payment preferences to manage your subscription. So after managing your subscription, you will see that you can add payment methods right here. You can add a card, debit card, or external wallet like PayPal. But you can use any of them. So for me, I'm just going to use credit card. So after adding my card information, that card or payment methods will automatically be listed right here on the table. And also I can edit them. If I want to change something, I can delete them, and also I can add another payment method if I want. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can add payment methods on VRBO. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.